The government of Meghalaya, in association with MyMeg, a program to foster transparency and encourage participatory governance to sustain the speed of development, celebrated Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with the launch of indigenous version of the National Anthem. This anthem also gives confidence to the people of Meghalaya that the state is ranked among the better today and will emerge as the best tomorrow. Made by a group of native musicians and artists using ethnic and local used instruments, has really captured the attention of audience on the internet. Since its launch on the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, the anthem has gone viral on the internet and across social media platforms. The anthem captures the progress Meghalaya has made in the past 5 years and how the state is ranked on the top of many social parameters across various sectors. The video of the anthem, which also shows Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma on the screen, along with native people from various regions of the state, highlights the social development Meghalaya has witnessed in the past 5 years in terms of improving health facilities in the state, catering to the needs of expecting and new mothers, implementing various schemes for the benefit of the farmers in the state, connecting Shillong to 8 cities in India with 250 plus flights per week, and others are few of the highlights. It may be mentioned that the music arrangement for the video was made by Meban Lingdo and Ribor MV, while the music artists include Benedict Nyota, Meban Lampag Lingdo, P. Marak, and Chigring.